Where the Warrego River is finally on the way down. Phil Wilmington is there, and Phil, Charleville is celebrating victory over the river tonight.
Oh yes, Melissa, they can rest easy here tonight. The levee bank that they had here, that's played a critical part in how things went today. The water peaked at about 6 metres, but that levee bank they built, it did its job and it held back the tide.
This was the day Charleville would learn its fate, a date with destiny they couldn't escape. Just as predicted, the floodwaters flowed in, a rising tide of apprehension. But soon enough, their fears washed away. On national TV, they heard the news.
I've just received some information that the river's just a tad over the 6 metres. It's expected to stay at that level most of today into tonight.
For this flood-prone town, it was just the tonic.
So this is a happy town today, isn't it?
Very happy. Extremely happy.
There could be a party in Charleville any time soon, I'd suggest.
As the water rose and then peaked, all eyes were here, the temporary levee wall they'd built to protect the town. After days of waiting and wondering whether it would work, it did. Just over 6 metres the river lapped, but barely a leak. Charleville owed plenty to the levee. The town was dry.
It really has saved our bacon this time.
Home's safe now, my wife's safe, which is really good.
I think it's a good idea because, well, it's held all the water back in it.
The Premier equally impressed.
The temporary levee has been the salvation of the town of Charleville.
It's reassuring for the whole community that the levee bank is indeed working.
Pretty soon it will be business as usual, but they won't forget. An historic day, they put the F word behind them, floods, now just water under the